Hello and welcome! In today's video, we'll take you on a journey through the stunning world of Mediterranean-style homes, with a special focus on the timeless beauty of whitewashed exteriors. These homes, often found along the coastlines of Greece, Spain, and Italy, are not just structures but an embodiment of sunshine, serenity, and coastal elegance. Whether you dream of living by the sea or simply admire the aesthetic, these homes hold a unique charm that never fades. Let's dive in and discover what makes these whitewashed Mediterranean homes so captivating. Mediterranean-style homes, particularly those with their signature whitewashed exteriors, are a perfect blend of simplicity, functionality, and natural beauty. The use of bright white paint on the exterior walls gives these homes a refreshing, airy feel, often reflecting the sun's rays and creating a cooler indoor atmosphere, especially in the warm Mediterranean climate. This simple yet striking look is one of the key features that define Mediterranean architecture, making these homes instantly recognizable. One of the most prominent features of whitewashed Mediterranean homes is their rustic charm, often combined with smooth stucco walls that appear to glow under the sunlight. These homes are typically built with durable, natural materials like stone and clay, which contribute to their authenticity and organic appearance. The white exterior helps to highlight the natural textures and colors of the surrounding landscape, whether it's the golden sands of a beach or the deep blue of the ocean. Another defining characteristic is the integration of outdoor living spaces. Mediterranean homes often feature expansive terraces, balconies, and courtyards that are seamlessly connected to the interior. These spaces are perfect for enjoying the temperate climate and typically include beautiful garden areas, comfortable seating, and vibrant plants like bougainvillea, olive trees, and lavender. The whitewashed walls provide a beautiful backdrop for colorful flowers and greenery, creating a harmonious blend of architecture and nature. The architecture itself is typically low-slung, with gently sloping tiled roofs, often made of terracotta or clay, which complement the white exteriors beautifully. These roofs not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also provide practical benefits, helping to regulate the temperature inside the home. The design tends to focus on open, airy spaces with large windows, allowing natural light to flood the interiors and creating an inviting atmosphere. Inside, Mediterranean homes are known for their warm, earthy tones, with terracotta floors, wooden beams, and wrought iron details that add a touch of rustic elegance. The interiors often feature an open-plan layout, perfect for bringing the outdoors in and maximizing the feeling of space. Mediterranean homes are not just about beauty, they are designed for comfortable, relaxed living, with an emphasis on blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. The cost of building an ADM2 whitewashed Mediterranean-style house building, a Mediterranean-style home, is a dream for many, especially those who love the timeless charm of whitewashed walls, rustic elegance, and a connection with nature. Known for their simplicity and elegance, Mediterranean homes combine functionality with beauty, offering a warm and inviting atmosphere. But what about the cost of constructing such a home? In this detailed guide, we will explore the factors involved in building a ADM2 approximately 861 square feet Mediterranean-style house with whitewashed exteriors from design to final finishes. 1. Design and architectural fees. The first step in any construction project is designing the home. For a Mediterranean-style house, this often involves intricate planning to ensure that the design stays true to the aesthetic while also being functional for modern living. The cost of hiring an architect or designer can vary depending on the complexity of the design, location, and professional experience. For a small ADM2 home, the design cost might range from $1,500 to $5,000, depending on whether you choose a custom design or a pre-made plan. The design process will typically include the layout, structural plans, and any customization requests such as large windows or specific roof styles. 2. Permits and legal costs before construction can begin. Obtaining the necessary permits and approval from local authorities is essential. These permits vary depending on the location of the construction, as building codes and regulations can differ from region to region. For example, a home located in a coastal area or a protected zone may require special permits to preserve the natural environment. Permits for an 80m2 house can cost anywhere from $500 to $2,000, depending on local requirements and zoning laws. It's crucial to ensure that all legal requirements are met to avoid fines or complications during construction. 3. Construction costs, labor and materials. The biggest portion of your budget will go toward labor and materials. The Mediterranean style, with its characteristic whitewashed exteriors, requires certain building materials, particularly stucco, clay tiles, and stone. The overall cost can vary depending on your region, the quality of materials, and the local labor rates. Labor costs generally account for 40–50% of the total construction budget. For an 80m2 Mediterranean-style house, labor costs can range from $30,000 to $50,000, depending on the complexity of the design and the skill level of the workers involved. Labor costs will cover construction workers, electricians, plumbers, painters, and other specialists required for the project. Materials costs. The materials needed for a Mediterranean-style home include stucco or plaster for the whitewashed exterior. A key characteristic of Mediterranean homes is their smooth, sun-reflecting white finish. The cost for materials to cover an 80m2 house could range from $3,000 to $8,000, depending on the quality and the application process. Roofing clay or terracotta tiles. Mediterranean homes often feature sloped roofs made of terracotta or clay tiles. These tiles are not only durable but also aesthetically complement the whitewashed walls. The cost of installing a tiled roof for a small 80m2 house could range from $4,000 to $10,000. Windows and doors. Large arched windows are common in Mediterranean homes, and the materials used, often wood or wrought iron, can contribute to a higher cost. The total cost for windows and doors can range from $3,000 to $6,000, depending on the quality of materials. Flooring, terracotta or stone tiles. For the interior, traditional Mediterranean homes often feature terracotta or stone floors. These materials can be on the higher end of the price spectrum, costing anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 for an 80m2 home. Exterior and interior paint. Whitewashing is a hallmark of Mediterranean-style homes. The cost of painting or whitewashing the exterior and interior of an 80m2 home could range from $2,000 to $5,000, depending on the finish and number of coats required. Additional features. Many Mediterranean homes also include features such as wooden beams, wrought iron railings, and large patios or courtyards. These design elements, while beautiful, can add to the cost. The cost of adding these elements could vary from $5,000 to $10,000, depending on the materials chosen. 4. Utilities and infrastructure. In addition to construction, you'll need to budget for plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems, which are critical for modern living. Mediterranean homes often incorporate energy-efficient systems, which may increase upfront costs, but save money in the long term. Plumbing. The cost of plumbing installation, including pipes, fixtures, and labor, for an 80m2 house could range from $3,000 to $6,000. Electrical, wiring, and electrical systems are another important consideration. Expect to spend between $3,000 and $5,000 on electrical installation, depending on the home's complexity. HVAC. If you plan to install air conditioning or heating, this will add another $5,000 to $10,000 to the overall cost, particularly if you choose energy-efficient systems. 5. Landscaping and outdoor areas. For a Mediterranean-style home, the outdoor areas are just as important as the interior. A beautiful garden with local plants, a shaded outdoor dining area, and a courtyard are common features. Landscaping costs can vary greatly depending on the complexity of the design and the plants chosen. A small garden and courtyard can cost between $2,000 and $7,000, including plants, irrigation systems, and outdoor furniture. 6. Total estimated cost. Taking all of the above into account, the total cost of building an 80m2 whitewashed Mediterranean-style home can range from $70,000 to $150,000 or more. This estimate depends on the location, quality of materials, labor rates, and specific design features you choose. Low-end estimate: $70,000 to $90,000 for a more basic design with standard materials and finishes. Mid-range estimate: $100,000 to $120,000 for a moderately customized home with mid-range materials. High-end estimate: $130,000 to $150,000 for a high-quality build with premium materials, energy-efficient systems, and additional BIA features like custom landscaping or high-end fixtures. Conclusion: building a whitewashed Mediterranean-style home is an exciting and rewarding project. With the right planning, it's possible to create a stunning home that blends rustic charm with modern comforts. The costs will depend on several factors, including design, materials, labor, and location. But with careful budgeting and thoughtful choices, you can achieve your dream Mediterranean-style home. Whether you want a simple coastal retreat or a luxurious Mediterranean villa, the beauty and charm of this style are undeniable, making it an investment worth considering. Thank you so much for watching.